Your company must keep customers informed about its goods and services to boost the possibility that they will purchase them. Sales are more likely to occur if people are more engaged. You can do that by sending them regular broadcasts. The broadcast app of Batoi CloudSpace is a point-to-multipoint communication system that aids you in the extensive distribution of information like product or service promotions, events, blogs, and news releases through emails to attract attention and boost the monetization of your business. Your subscribers mark the transformation in your business. The viewers of your broadcast who are most engaged will be your subscribers. By providing their full name and email address, you may add a subscriber. You may inform, instruct, and amuse your subscribers with the broadcast app. News, commentary, educational material, sponsored content, and amusing facts may be added. To get started with the broadcast app, fill in the broadcast details section and provide the necessary information to add broadcast. While the logo is already available in the broadcast, you may sync in preview to see concurrent changes. You may showcase your items in a way that appeals to customers with banners. By inserting the image link and title, you may add a banner in the banner section. You can include a subtitle that describes the banner. You may add a button that directs your subscribers to the desired page. You may also keep your subscribers interested in and informed about your product by setting up demo sessions with them. Scrolling is typical, especially on mobile devices. The suitable footer material communicates that they have reached the bottom of a page with a well-designed finish. Include anything you like, such as your contact information, a brief conclusion, a link to another page on your website, etc. By adding the title and subtitle in the footer section, you may add a footer. A subtitle that describes the banner may be included. You can also have a button that will take your subscribers to the desired page by providing the button title and button link fields. The Opportunity app of Batoi CloudSpace has a campaign section where you can create a broadcast for all the opportunities added to it. The first step in creating a campaign is choosing the business unit and providing the title and description. Additionally, you might provide organizational users engaged in the campaign. For the campaign, you may immediately add a broadcast. You may preview, send, edit, and deactivate the broadcast. All contacts connected to the opportunities added to the campaign will get the broadcast once you send it. You may achieve your company's goals for lead generation, lead quality, brand recognition, perception, and lift with the Batoi CloudSpace broadcast app. By providing a platform for you with a larger and more active subscriber base with the broadcast app, we assist your business in generating more return on investment.